In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create a color overlay in Google Slides. This is a simple and effective way to add a touch of creativity and professionalism to your presentations without needing any advanced design skills. By using this technique, your slides will not only look visually appealing, but also feel more cohesive and polished. Let's dive in step by step and make your slides stand out. First, you'll need to open Google Slides. Use your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Slides homepage. If you're not already signed in, make sure to do so by entering your Google account credentials. This step is essential because without signing in, you won't be able to create, edit, or save your presentations. Once logged in, you'll see the Google Slides homepage where you can choose to start a new presentation or open an existing one. For today's tutorial, let's click Blank Presentation to start with a fresh canvas. Of course, templates are also available if you want a pre-designed starting point, which can save time and give your slides a professional feel from the beginning. Now that your presentation is open, let's focus on images, which are central to adding overlays. Click on Insert in the top menu, then select Image. You can upload an image from your computer, search the web, or choose other available sources. Once your image is inserted, it will appear on your slide, ready for editing. The next step is to duplicate this image, which you can do by right-clicking on it and selecting Duplicate, or by pressing Ctrl+D on a PC or Command+D on a Mac. The duplicated image will be the base for your overlay. To create the overlay effect, click on the duplicated image to select it, then navigate to Format options in the top menu. Look for Mask Image and click it to choose a shape for your overlay. This shape will determine how the overlay looks and fits over your image. After selecting a shape, return to Format options and click Recolor. Here, you can choose from a range of colors to apply to your overlay. Pick a color that complements or contrasts with your slide design. Experiment with different colors and transparencies to achieve the effect you want. By following these steps, you can easily create a color overlay in Google Slides, enhancing the visual impact and professionalism of your presentation. Play around with different shapes and shades until you find the perfect combination for your theme and content. With a bit of practice, this technique can transform ordinary slides into eye-catching and dynamic presentations. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.